Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to order from Temu using cash on delivery in 2025. So first let me clear one thing, that Temu cash on delivery option is not available in all the countries. So before ordering, you need to check whether this option is available in your country or not. So in order to find that out, you just have to simply launch your Temu app and then tap on the U option. Over here you will see this settings icon in the top right hand corner, so you need to simply tap on it and then you will be landed on this page where you just have to simply talk with the help center and you need to simply ask them whether the COD available in your country or not. If COD is available in your country, you just have to proceed with the next step where you just have to simply add your favorite items in your cart and then you need to go to your cart section. Over here you just have to simply tap on the checkout option in the bottom. After entering your details, you will be landed on the checkout page where you just have to simply scroll down and select the option of COD and place your order. So this way you will be able to place your order with COD on Temu. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, drop a comment and subscribe for more online shopping tips. Thanks for watching.